Hi guys, welcome back. Now this video is going to be really excited because I'm going to try the viral PIXI blush. So I've been seeing this blush all over Instagram, all over TikTok, like everywhere. I was like, I have to get it, right? So I was just scrolling through Instagram and I saw this online shop and it was giving it for really cheap. So I was like, I have to get it. So guess what? It arrived today and I'm gonna do a unpacking and I'm gonna give you honest reviews on it. Okay, so I don't really know where the box is right now. I just want to do it on my cheeks as soon as possible. Ta-da! So I'm really excited for this, to be honest. I'm really excited for this. I just want to be like whoop, and like I think this is like the perfect shade too. I'm not gonna talk no more and I'm gonna get right into it. Let's open it. Okay, so it has a little protector. I don't know what it's called, but it has this. Okay. La la la. This is really cute. This is so cute. Now for the test, I don't know what. Let's just do it. Let me do it all the way up and just show you guys. Now this is a lot of product. Okay, time for the test. I'm gonna do like a little dot. I'm just gonna be like doom doom doom. I mean, wait. I'm gonna do it with my finger because I don't have a brush right now. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. It goes. It's like really light. It's like. Oh my god, this is like perfect for the summer, to be honest. Let me like try it on the lips. Let me try it on the lips. Stop, this is so pretty. Wait, let me put on some lip gloss. This is the. I do not regret buying this. I do not regret buying this. Okay, this looks so pretty. This looks so freaking pretty. This is so pretty. Now, for the time that you all have been waiting for, Maheen, what is the price? So I got it for $1,500 because I know, right? I know $1,500. How did you get it for? I give this a 10 out of 9.78 because look at this. Just kidding. I'm just giving it a 10 out of 10. Like, stop. Why not? 10 out of 10. This is like so easy for like traveling. It's like just a pocket blush you can put in your pocket. It's so cute. It's so adorable. Like so small too. Yeah, like mic drop. The texture was so smooth, and what I like about it the most is that it's so pigmented, and I just loved it. I loved it so much. And this is my new favorite blush. Like, why not? Like, why not? This is so pretty. This is so. Now, this is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed today's review. And comment down below if I should try new products and viral products too. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you want this, please buy it because I'm telling you, it is worth it. Okay, bye.